Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to another pre-market pulse scan. The time is 10 minutes after 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today is February the 13th, 2017. Jumping right into things, the overnight market is quite active this morning. First of all, taking a look at bonds. The long bond is down about 20-30 seconds at 151.09. It's oscillating between that 151, 152 level. So we're going to see if it has enough energy behind it to break out into new highs this week. That's going to be the thing to watch is bonds for this week. Taking a look at the Dow futures, it's up 62 points at 20,285. We got to get used to saying Dow 20,000. The Nasdaq 100 is on fire. It's up 13 points at 5239 and 3/4. The E-mini S&P 500 is at 2318 and 3/4, up 6 points. Got to get used to saying S&P above 2300 too. Unbelievable. The Russell is up 7.8 points at 1396.10. The Nikkei is up 155 points at 19,515. Ladies and gentlemen, if that Nikkei breaks 20,000, oh my goodness, it's going to be it's a game changer right there. All right, oil is still hovering around the $53 mark at $53.07. It's down 77.5 cents. And we have the US dollar index, which is gaining strength and momentum. It is on fire. It is at par 93.5, up 14 ticks. We hit 101 and a penny and a half, or 101.01 half. And this is crazy. We're gonna have to really look deeper into what's going on there. Now here's the thing that's funny. The euro is only down 15 pips at 106.28. All right, interesting. You got both the dollar and the euro again above par. Looking at the pound is up 9 pips at 124.98. And the Aussie is down 25 pips at 76.44. Gold is taking a beating. It's down $9.10 at 1226.80. We just bounced off the new overnight low of 1225 half. The high was 1234.40. The open was 1234.20. Almost a two-bar Charlie situation happening here in gold. We'll see if we have an all-day down day or not. Silver down a nickel at $17.88. It hit $18.01.5, and then we're right here hovering above the lows at $17.83.5. So interesting market activity in the pre-market for a Monday, that is. So the question remains then, what is going to happen to gold this week? What is going on? Well, all I can say is, I told you so. I did warn about this situation. And markets change from day to day. What looks to be one way now will be another way, perhaps by the end of the trading day. We can only trade what we see, not what we think. It's good to prognosticate and say what you think is going to happen based on what the market is telling you. But at the end of the day, you have to trade what you see. With that said, what does gold look like for the week? Well, as far as from the algorithmic perspective or persuasion, gold is in the Kumo cloud of death, algorithmically speaking. Therefore, you can't necessarily trust the price action inside of the cloud. It can whipsaw up, down, sideways, do whatever it wants, and the price action usually does get choppy inside of the cloud. Not always. There's always exceptions to every rule, but this is just something to look at. So the indicators are saying that within the Kumo cloud of death this week, so far it's saying that the momentum is locked in on the positive side on the weekly. Okay, so that's where we are. However, the closing price from the long entry price is far removed. Once again, the entry price from the closing price is far removed. We're far removed from the market now on the top side, so it doesn't look like any buying opportunity is going to manifest itself, excuse me, from the weekly perspective. Sticking with the weekly, let's take a look at what kind of alerts we have that we need to take a look at for this week. Well, let's start with our rally alerts. The US dollar has a rally alert. And this is interesting because we are still in a bull market, but we do have some negative momentum locked in. So the dollar's going to have to fight. So we'll see if we get a true breakout or not. I'll tell you this though, a close above 103 and 103.95 would put an end to the overall downtrend or pullback mode that we've been seeing in the dollar. So we have to look at that. Other rally alerts we have is on the future side: feeder cattle, wheat, live cattle, soybeans. Amazon has a rally alert. Bitcoin services has a rally alert. Canadian dollar on the Forex side has a rally alert. Caterpillar is a very interesting one. We're going to be really watching this. Caterpillar could be getting backstopped by the Fed on this one, as Donald Trump, or should I say President Trump's policy for restructuring would definitely affect Caterpillar and the company Vulcan. I need to put Vulcan on the sheet. It's not on the sheet, but I need to make a note to myself to add Vulcan. We're going to be watching Caterpillar and Vulcan extremely closely in the coming weeks and months. We gotta watch these two because we do have a rally alert in Caterpillar, and the fact that the Fed is looking to throw its money around, you could see money really start to pour in to these companies, because as contracts go flying through the air, people are going to need machinery. They're going to need concrete. They're going to need all the building supplies and materials that go with that. And so Caterpillar would stand to benefit. All right. Chipotle has a rally alert. This is going to be interesting. Let's see here. FedEx has a rally alert. General Electric. Google. Goldman Sachs has a rally alert. Good old Goldman Sachs. Can't forget the day when the Sage of Omaha put like $1 billion to backstop that company. Very interesting times we were living in back then. The Japanese yen has a rally alert. Lululemon rally alert. Microsoft. I mean, this is incredible. Knick Knack Paddywhack has a rally alert. So we're gonna watch this one. Good old Nintendo has a rally alert. Interesting because Nintendo has the new system coming out. The new Nintendo Switch is coming out. So let's see if the bearish retracement off of the bull market highs will cease. Can this market find some support? Is it ready to break out? Well, I'll tell you what, a close above $32.40 this week would put it into the downtrend and resume the uptrend. Anyone following Nucor? Nucor has a rally alert. Let's see. Orange juice on the future side has a rally alert. Let's see. Potash has a rally alert. Starbucks. Let's see what else we got here of interest. Oh, the uranium side of things. UEC has it. UPS has a rally alert. Let's see. URA and URRE on the week have rally alerts. And the Quad U, ticker symbol UUU, that's Energy Fuels, they have a rally alert. So does Verizon. Let's see, who else? Wix, the website Wix, website company. Awesome website. I use Wix for my website. Awesome. Let's see. U.S. Steel has a rally alert. It should be noted that U.S. Steel is in a bull market mode right now, and it stands to break into new highs. A close above 39.40 would give U.S. Steel incredible bullish momentum going forward. So this is going to be a very interesting week, and I'm pretty excited about what the markets have in store. Now, I started this video off by talking about bonds. Well, TLT has a rally alert. Now, the thing about this rally alert, this one here is suggesting that the market has found support and is ready to lift off from this support. It's been in a downtrend. We had a negative swing VIX as well, but now it's showing that the market may be ready to turn. A close above 123.26 would be bullish and would put an end to the current downtrend and start a new leg up in bonds for ticker symbol TLT. All right, what else we got going on here? We got everything else. We got a bunch of momentum plays. That's our swing trade alerts. Got a bunch of those. There's so much on the shopping list today that I'm really excited about it. But there's one I want to take a look at here that I didn't talk about. Let's see where. Let's see where my new Jordans are looking like. I call the QQQ my new Jordans because that ticker is the NASDAQ 100, and it's been acting like Michael Jordan. Flying high and now looking back. It's been the stronger out of all the indices. And right now we have it locked in a bullish uptrend with incredible bullish momentum going forward. And I think we're going to close at new highs this week on this one too. A close above 127.67 would not only give us a new closing high, but also lock in even more bullish momentum going forward. And I want to see this thing push into the 130s. I think we can do it. I think we can go into the 130s easily here, and it's going to be exciting to watch and see what's up. Also, pretty much everything on the table is in play. So we're going to go ahead and end this, give people time to get their tickets in, and we have a lot to look forward to. So for the week, we have our marching orders. We're going to get to it. All right, trading room, hang on, and we're going to go shopping. And the rest of you, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And do yourself a favor, come on over to postwavetrading.com. Learn how to make money and navigate these troubling economic waters. Learn how to provide an income for you and your family. And learn how to hedge your physical portfolio. No matter where you are on the globe, we trade all markets, all exchanges. Come see us. Peace out. It is quite active this morning. First of all, taking a look at bonds. The long bond is down about 20-30 seconds at 151.09. It's oscillating between that 151, 152 level. So we're going to see if it has enough energy behind it to break. Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to another pre-market pulse scan. The time is 10 minutes after 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today is February the 13th, 2017. Jumping right into things. The overnight market is up 155 points at 19,515. Ladies and gentlemen, if that Nikkei breaks 20,000, oh my goodness, it's going to be, it's a game changer right there. All right, oil is still hovering around the $53 mark at $53.07.5. At 52.39 and 3/4. The E-mini S&P 500 is at 23.18 and 3/4, up 6 points. Got to get used to saying S&P above 2,300 too. Unbelievable. The Russell is up 7.8 points at 1396.10. The Nikkei out into new highs this week. That's going to be the thing to watch, is bonds for this week. Taking a look at the Dow futures, it's up 62 points at 20,285. We got to get used to saying Dow 20,000. The Nasdaq 100 is on fire. It's up 13 points at